So guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Binance crypto to your bank account in very easy steps. So first guys, after opening the Binance application, so here you will just, it is an exchange, just go for the wallet. And after going to the wallet, please go for assets section. And then the amount that you want to transfer it or something, just type for it. I will just for USD, if you have the goods of the USDT, let's say for example, and just go for transfer to Binance Exchange. And here guys, you just only what you need to do, which is pressing the amount that you want to transfer it to Binance Exchange, because we are now in Binance Wallet. And after just you transfer the amount and you just transfer the goods, all what you need to do, just arrow back, then go for home once again, and then go for exchange. It will be switched to exchange, and here guys, you will find your assets here and the funding one after you sending USDT to your funding account. Then go for home, then go for three arrow, there are more services, and then just press sell to fiat or withdraw fiat. I will go for sell to fiat, and then you find USDT, press it, and you just type the amount that you want to proceed it or just to withdraw it. I will type random number, and here for receiver method, just you can have the options how to receive the amount of that, or you just go for the filter and then choose the country that you are in, and you just get the bank account from which country. Type for that, just confirm it, and then you have all the options, whether it is peer-to-peer or just another options to your bank account. So I hope you like the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.